Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 27th day in this 100 days of coding challenge. Yesterday we worked on the front end part of the to-dos app. Today let's work on the back end part. If you are new to this challenge and want to learn interesting things related to coding, then follow my 100 days of code challenge playlist and even watch my previous video where I've started building this project. Try to be consistent if you are serious about it. Let's get started. So this is how the app works. You can add your list using the input bar. You can delete the list if you do left click on the selected to do. You can even mark the to do as completed by right clicking on the selected to do. Done with this project. If you have any doubts, let me know through comments. I'll be right back to complete the coming days of challenges by building new projects and learning new things related to coding. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 days of coding challenge and other interesting coding stuff. Thank you.